bring a lot of different racetracks in a lot of places. How does the PG Series stuff stack up the competition, the length of the races? Is it fun for a race for American Columbia for 200